Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to enable comments on your posts in your Telegram channel, and you can do it either on PC or on mobile. You can also do it in Telegram web version. It doesn't matter what Telegram device or version you are using. So let's get started. First of all, we've got a channel and we want to enable comments on posts. What should we do? We need to click on manage, and here we've got a discussion. We click on discussion, and here we need to create a new group. We need a group chat for discussion because the messages will be sent into this group. So it's impossible to enable comments without a group. So we need to create a new group. For example, let's call it Low Cringe Chat as it said, and we just click create. So the group is created and now it is connected to our Telegram channel. We just click save, and for example, let's type something, for example 123, and send it. And as you can see, now we can leave a comment, and this comment will be sent into the group. So that's basically it, guys. You enabled comments. Thank you for watching. See you next time.